Greetings and welcome to another EdTech tip with me, Ronnie Williams, your friendly neighborhood tech integrator here at Greenbush. And this week's tech tip is on a website called Remove.BG. Have you ever found yourself wanting to remove the background from an image that you have downloaded? Well, with Remove.BG, it makes it super fast and simple, and best of all, it's free. So we are here on Remove.BG, the website, and the process is very, very simple. We're going to simply select an image to upload by clicking Upload Image. I have one here that is ready to go that I want to remove the background from. The image uploads to the website. It then shows you the original picture of this very cute little guy here in this dinosaur costume, and then it shows you what it looks like with the background removed over here to the side. You then have the option to download the image, or you can preview it if you want to. You can look at the full image, which shows you the entire resolution of the picture, but we're just going to go ahead and download it. So now the photo is downloaded on my computer, and one of the applications that I use to remove the background image on is a lot of the different slideshows that I create. So as you can see here, I have a slideshow that I've started called The Adventures of Beckett. I have an image that I removed the background on previously, and now I want to add this new image to this slideshow. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and I'm going to Upload from Computer. And that image is saved in my download, so I'll double click it. I can move it around wherever I want. As you can see, it doesn't interfere with the text. If I want to make it smaller, I can move it all around and have a nice, beautiful image that will not have any background on it on my Google slideshow. So that will wrap up this week's EdTech tip. I hope that you find it useful. Remember, whenever you think technology training and support, think Ronnie at Greenbush. Thank you.